Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT03mini for free. So first of all, what you have to do is go to chatgpt.com and sign in with your account, and you will land on this page. If I ask anything like, how are you? Maybe something like that. And then you will see there is a drop-down menu, which is 4.0. If I click on this drop-down menu, there are multiple options: Auto, GPT 4.0, 03 mini. So we are going for this one. So what you have to do is to select 03 mini, and it will regenerate with reasoning, because 03 is best for if you're looking for answers with reasoning. So to make it default, so what you have to do is click on this reason button, and then if you ask like anything, for example, how are you again? Now, if I go to the drop-down menu, as you can see, the 03 mini has been already, or 03 mini has been already selected because I have selected this reason. But if you do not select this reason button, then your by default module will be used as 4.0 mini. And that's basically how you can use ChatGPT 03 mini for free. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.